got lots of patience, lots of lifetimes waiting on ourselves. Are you tired now? Tired now, it takes time to tell. Higher realms, higher self. Did you feel God when you got high as hell? Held my hand out, said might as well. I wanted to stand out, you never will stand out. You and I blew many candles, from falling off bikes to rides with no handles. Cycles of life, right track sample. You got what I lack, you lack what I channel. This packing path and right bad examples. Walk my line like Captain Jack off Jack Daniels. Flesh in my flesh, pass me your mantle. One slept on your chest, my breath in your flannel. You and I got lots of patience, lots of lifetimes waiting on ourselves. Are you tired now? Tired now, it takes time to tell. How fate plays what takes place, moves the way that the moon's pull makes waves. In your orbit I've learned how to take space. Our eyes hide different sides of the same face. Yeah, our discussions get dissonant, and we blow up not giving in. Yeah, you're not much for listening. You trust the toughness that bought what you're living in. And I'm soft, I'm too passionate. You are a rock to my water, step fast in it. But I'm yours, it's no accident. Repeat this class till we're tired of having it. I came from love, I came from you. All this not love should be scraped from my view. I'm coming home and I'm making it soon. All the patience we've had has been saving my room. You and I got lots of patience, lots of lifetimes waiting on ourselves. Are you tired now? Tired now, I'm tired out as well. I'm tired out as well.
When I run from the pain, hide from the shame, I feel it in my body. When I just can't let go, tears start to flow, I feel it in my body. Girl, I feel this magic, and it's deep inside. I believe in magic. When I see your eyes, you know that it's magic. Feel it deep inside. 'Cause I believe in magic. When I see your eyes, you know that it's when I run from the game, tired of the blame, I feel it in my body. When I just can't say no, fear starts to grow, I feel it